Destini, there's this thing that happens. There's this great debate amongst therapists. Is psychoanalysis the way to go, or do you hop all the way over to the other side and go entirely cognitive behavioral therapy? The great therapist debate, in fact, it was so great that they did a study called Common Factors where they wanted to settle the debate, which one is best. And what they found was the modality isn't as important as some other things. We're going to do probably 4 videos over things called common factors, and they're the things that they found that worked consistently across the board in therapy. The first one was time. God made us resilient, and with enough time, a lot of times in therapy, things improve. What do you think about time, and how do we apply that in therapy?
Whenever you're going to therapy, you're spending time with a person who is going to be encouraging you and helping you process and giving you an opportunity and a space to say whatever you want, however you want, and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't leave that office space. That alone allows you to have the opportunity to work through a lot of things, and that time factor is something that's important because you have to have time to build trust and relationship with that therapist.
You kind of got to keep going back. Keep going back, and no, that doesn't mean keep going back forever, because you're not supposed to be in therapy forever, but you need to go back long enough to work the process of getting better. And so as you look at it, if you're walking into a therapy session and you're hoping to change belief patterns, you're hoping to address grief or conflict, if you're hoping to do all of that in one setting, well, if you could do that, you would have done that by now. Time is a huge factor in making therapy work, and giving your heart, your mind time to heal and to go is a huge, it's vital. It's vital to the process. Mm-hmm. We naturally correct. God made us resilient. We're not supposed to stay down when we get knocked down. But God also called us to rest, in that He called us to a Sabbath day, a time of rest regularly. Therapy can serve as a time of rest and a time to help you in the recovery time.
Mm-hmm. There's also, you get around these people who you just automatically feel better being around them. You feel like a better person. They bring out parts of you that maybe you didn't even realize that were there, and you're like, I really like that aspect of who I am. And being around that person more often allows you to have those characteristics spill over into other areas of your life. So time is important. You've got to practice those characteristics, and if you find a therapist that you are able to do that with, time's gonna help you.
Time is an important thing, and if you're looking for some therapists to spend some time with, we know some good ones, and we would love to have the opportunity to work with.